Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about chapter number 8 of primary occupation. Primary occupation. In previous class, approx in chapter number 7, we discuss about the human occupation and its type. The human done many type of economic activities, and these economic activities are known as occupation. The primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, quaternary and the quaternary activities. Now today's the topic, this lesson name is primary occupation. Primary occupation. Primary occupation. In this lesson, we discuss about all these activities related to the primary occupation. All these activities directly related to the natural resources. What is primary activity? The human done many type of economic activities and directly depend on the natural resources. Directly depend on the natural resources are included in the natural resources like water, like land, vegetation and minerals etc. Fulfill the needs of the human. Fulfill the needs of the human are included in primary activities. Yeah, it is called the primary activities, primary occupation. Man, the economic practices man in the measure world primary occupations are hunting, gathering, fishing, animal grazing, agriculture, lumbering, mining. All these are the primary occupation. All these are the primary occupation, primary activities. Hunting, gathering, fishing, animal grazing, agriculture, lumbering and mining. Now here hunting. We discuss about hunting and gathering. All these are the primary activities, directly depend on the nature, directly depend on the natural resources. All these activities are depend directly on nature, and particular this primary activity related to economic activities related to the primary activities. The human earn the money and the survival their life level and increase their life level. Clear? And here we discuss about the hunting. The first of the after the burn of the human on the earth, the first primary activity. First start the primary activity hunting. सबसे पहले जब ह्यूमन आता है क्या स्टार्ट करता है? हंटिंग. ठीक है. Then world oldest occupation. Then we call the hunting is the world oldest occupation. This occupation livelihood is maintained at a minimum level. जैसे प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन इन हंटिंग से जो लाइफ लेवल इंक्रीज होगा क्या? नो, हियर द लाइफ लेवल इज ऑन ए मिनिमम लेवल. लाइफ लेवल इज ऑन ए मिनिमम लेवल. And the human live their life as a stroller mean nomadic, यानी कि घुमक्कड़, एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्योंकि हंटिंग जहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एनिमल्स देन दे मूव इन डिस्कवरिंग ऑफ द animals for hunting. And the in starting the weapons of the human, also the weapon of the human also had the low level, like here the sharp tools, poisonous arrows, noses जिसे हम फंदा बोलते हैं, it is are the hunting weapons. And now here the change the hunting weapon, and now the modernization of the hunting weapon. But today at present the hunting is prohibited by the government, and the hunting primary activities happen in a limited region. Only tribes and the rare condition for survival these region, here only primary activity hunting. Okay, जैसे in India here the many type of the forest is divided, and here the hunting also banned. So totally here the hunting banned. But जो tribes है आज भी क्या कर रहे हैं? They living their life and today at present tribes like Eskimo, Samoids, Bushmen are engaged in the primary activity hunting. The example of the tribes which engage in the primary activity hunting tundra and the taiga region of the Canada. Here the Eskimo tribes, we discuss about the Eskimo in chapter number 2. Here the hunting method like Idurpak, Maupak and Uto. Next here the North Siberia. North Siberia here the Samoyeds, Yakut, Chakchi, Tung. All these here the this region tundra, taiga and the North Siberia region totally ice covered region. Here the no vegetation, and for the survival here the main activity is hunting. Totally they are depend on the hunting for survival. Then here Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert of the Africa. Here the Bushman tribes. Bushman tribes here practice. Bushman tribes here the practice hunting and the different method of the Bushmans for the hunting. Congo Basin of Africa. Congo Basin of Africa. Here also the Pygmy tribes. Pygmy tribes practice the hunting for livelihood. Malaya, Malaysia. Here the Malaya Peninsula, Semang Sakai tribes. Borneo, in Borneo here the Punan tribes, and the New Guinea here the Papuan tribes, and the Amazon Basin of the South America continent, Jivaro and Jaguar. The Amazon Basin here the dense forested region, and in these dense forested region, Jivaro and Jaguar tribes reside here, and the main occupation of the Jivaro and the Jaguar tribes is hunting. So all these are here the now the time the 8% here the hunting practiced by the tribes, because here in totally in all regions of the world the government of the all countries are banned the hunting, but here the tribes practice the hunting. Their life level depend on the hunting, and they use here the animals for eating and many other products. Next here the gathering. So what is here the gathering? Gathering क्या होती है ना? Gathering also primary activities done by the human. Gathering directly depend on the nature. Gathering also directly depend on the nature. The human gathered the many type of the products. The human gathered many type of the products. From the forests. Like here, rubber, gone, roots, leaves, nuts, fruits from the forests, and they depend on food gathering. They depend on the food gathering, and some पहले तो क्या कर रहे थे for the survival. Now the storage they gathering the material, and they start here the business से भी उसको क्या करने लगे, वो बेचने लगे. Like here the 8% here food gathering work done by the tribes. Like here the Malaya Peninsula, Semang Sakai, Amazon Basin, Boro tribes, Amazon Basin of South America, here the Boro tribes, Kalahari Desert, Bushman tribes, mountainous region, all mountainous region. Here the food gathering is the main activities, and the Southeast Asia, Mid Asia, here the backward region, where not here the other sources. Here the food gathering is the main sources for the survival. Gathering is the main source for the survival. The food. These are the major region food gathering held at present. So now today we will discuss about the hunting and the gathering. Hunting and gathering the main primary activities, and at present only tribes are engaged in hunting and gathering primary activities. Firstly, they practice the hunting and the gathering for their survival and livelihood, but now they change their manner, and they gather the many type of the many type of the products, and they start to sell the products and start their income. And today the life level of the tribes also increase.